Ariana Grande unleashed her business secret. You can too. In a world where attention is currency, mastering the art of energy connection is the ultimate game changer for your business and for individuals. Years ago, I lost over $1 million in my real estate business. I went bankrupt. And then I discovered the first components of the rapid resilience and growth system. It saved my life, and it transformed my business, and it helped me to achieve my dreams. So with the rapid resilient and growth system, you can unlock explosive growth and catapult your audience like never before. So take, for example, Ariana Grande's chart-topping album, Eternal Sunshine, with the first line questioning the essence of a relationship. Grande crafted a masterpiece for millions. Take the first page, the first part of the playbook, and infuse your brand's authenticity and emotion. By sharing your story and connecting with your audience on a deeper level, emotional level, you create unforgettable experience that keep people coming back for more. Just like Grande harnessed the power of storytelling, her story, your connection to leave a lasting impression on your audience, it's there. So here's the secret. Host a quick connection workshop where you invite key people involved with your business or your projects to brainstorm solutions to your business, within your business. You brainstorm together. This simple yet powerful activity can kickstart positive change and set your business on a path to where you choose to be. Keep connecting and moving your energy differently. I'm Kerry Ruff.